Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. The only source of knowledge is experience. The difference between genius and stupidity is that genius has its limits. Adversity introduces a man to himself. Remember, these quotes serve as a source of inspiration and motivation. Embrace the message behind them and apply them to your life in a way that resonates with you personally.